No, you don't have to work out like an elite athlete to be fit. You don't have to train like a bodybuilder to be healthy, nor do you have to be as flexible as a contortionist to be mobile. These are extremes, and extremes are for people who compete and perform at the highest level, often at the risk of their own long-term health. I mean, how often do you see professional athletes get seriously injured for months, but at least they have highly trained, highly paid medical staff to help them rehabilitate? But for regular people like you and I who have 9 to 5 jobs, training like an athlete will result in either injury or mental and emotional burnout. The whole intention behind our workout program is to maintain the feeling of youthfulness. Youthfulness does not simply mean just looking good, but feeling energetic and strong and mobile enough to tackle the daily challenges of life with a smile on our faces. This is the whole purpose of our home body sculpting and mobility program, to reignite our passion for moving like we did when we were children. So if this appeals to you, sign up for my free 14-day workout program to regain that feeling of youthfulness that you once did when you were back at school.